Hi everyone, in this video I will discuss the link between diet and diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people around the globe. It is characterized by high blood sugar levels that can lead to serious health complications if they are not treated. Research has highlighted the importance of diet in managing diabetes. For example, studies have shown that eating a healthy, balanced diet can help to reduce the risk of developing diabetes. This includes eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's also important to watch your portion sizes and limit your intake of sugary and processed foods. Regular physical activity is also recommended as it can help to control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of getting diabetes. Finally, it is important to consult with your doctor to identify the best treatment plan for you. This could include medication, lifestyle changes, or a combination of both. Thank you for your time. I hope this information has been helpful and that it can help you make better choices when it comes to managing your diabetes.